changes its time all by itself. Changes that to 1. Now it starts countdown, jumps all over the place.
Sacando el pollo después de 20 minutos. Oh my god, no lo puedo ni creer. Frito, frito.
Make guilt-free fried foods in your own home with the BLACK+DECKER Pure Fry Air Fryer. Equipped with dual-fan convection technology, the Pure Fry requires little to no oil, giving you the crispy fried food taste without the added fat. Customize your cooking with variable temperature controls up to 400 degrees and a 60-minute timer with auto shut-off. The frying basket holds up to 2 liters of food, making it easy to cook for the whole family. And cleanup is quick and easy with the dishwasher-safe fry basket. The BLACK+DECKER Pure Fry Air Fryer, the perfect way to enjoy crispy fried foods with all the flavor and none of the guilt.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.